We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at our Chieftain lineup. These are all new motorcycles. The first three that we have here are all 2021 Dark Horses, all with the 116 engines. The one in the middle is the Icon series as well. Next up is our Elite.
There it is.
This Elite is a 2020. And the one on the end is also a 2020, and this is a Chieftain Limited. Again, we are at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located right off the freeway in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check these out.